afternoon, guys. Good morning, good evening, wherever you are. Let me just teach you guys how to fund your affiliate advertising .club account. So once you have logged in, click here, then tap on funds, then click on deposit funds. Then it will open. Go down, then put the amount you want to deposit. Let me deposit $40. Then click here to select the kind of coin you would like to deposit. I like to go with BNB BSC. So then once you select it, you now click on deposit. Click on deposits, then go down. You will see where they give you the amount you're going to deposit. You see, copy it, then later you come back and copy the wallet you're going to deposit to. Once you finish depositing, you'll see it in your account. Go and buy BNB or USDT or Bitcoin or Litecoin, anyone you want to use. You can use it and deposit. That is simple how to deposit. The next video will be how to place your advert and start generating funds. Thank you.